Looking for the trash or recycle bin on your Samsung phone? It's easier than you think. Follow this quick guide to locate deleted files and restore them before they're permanently removed. Method 1. Find deleted photos and videos. If you're looking for pictures or videos you've recently removed, the Gallery app is the first place to check. Start by opening the Gallery app on your Samsung Galaxy device. Tap the menu icon, which may appear as 3 horizontal lines or 3 dots depending on your phone's software version. From the menu, select Recycle Bin or Trash. Inside, you'll see all photos and videos that have been deleted recently. Samsung normally keeps these files for up to 30 days before removing them permanently. If you find the item you want, tap Select, choose the photos or videos, and then tap Restore. The restored files will return to their original albums automatically. Method 2. Find deleted files, documents, and audio. If you've deleted PDFs, downloaded files, music, or other documents, use the My Files app instead. Open your app drawer and locate the Samsung folder if needed. Then tap My Files. Scroll down until you find the Trash or Recycle Bin option. Open it to view recently deleted files. To recover a file, press and hold the item you want, then tap Restore at the bottom of the screen. The file will be returned to its previous location, making it easy to access again. Method 3. Check Device Care Storage. Samsung also provides a central place to view deleted storage from supported apps. Open Settings, then tap Device Care and select Storage. Scroll toward the bottom to find the Trash section. Here you'll see how much space is being used by deleted items from apps like Gallery, My Files, and Voice Recorder. While this section mainly provides an overview, it helps you manage storage and understand where deleted files are being kept. That's it. You now know how to find the trash or recycle bin on your Samsung Galaxy phone and restore deleted files before they're permanently erased.